Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. You've come at a good time because today we are going to be organising my life. So basically my new year didn't get off to the best of starts. I got tonsillitis pretty much on New Year's Day, which wasn't ideal because I had loads of things planned, like going up to Manchester for a wedding and a trip to Disneyland Paris, both of which I did, but I feel like I really wore myself out. So I've now had like a couple of days where I've tried to force myself to like rest and stay in bed, and it's now the weekend. I've just been away for like the whole of the Christmas period and New Year, and there's like no food in the house. My house is just an absolute mess and I just need this time to like sit down and sort my life out. So I thought I would vlog it so you can come along and help me tackle the absolute state that my flat and my life is in at the moment. I need to get some organisation in. So the first port of call this morning, which Sam is on in my lovely dressing gown, is to sort out the fridge because I've been away. What's that face for? I just haven't had the time to stock my fridge up. As soon as I got back home, I was then away. So we've got to go through all of this. The fridge is looking very bare right now. I reckon we need to give this fridge a little clean as well.
I got rid of the chicken.
You got rid of the chicken, did you give it to Lola? Did you have the chicken? This is the current state of my flat and I'm not proud of it, but I have been busy. I've been to Disney, as you can see, got all my Disney bits there. So yeah, we just need to tidy all this up basically. I've got suitcases I need to put away. I've got clothing orders here to film hauls with, but like my issue is with my flat, I literally have nowhere to put these, so they're just kind of here. This stuff is for eBay and the charity shop. This stuff I need to take to the recycling. My washing basket is overflowing. Guys, this is just my real life. This is unfiltered. I've got my washing hanging up all here. It is unfiltered. This is literally my flat how it is right now. I'm not hiding anything.
Real life versus social media.
Real life, yeah. We're not hiding anything anymore this year. And then my bed's unmade. Let's look at that. That looks lovely. Okay, so the one area of my flat that is organised is my desk. So I thought step one, sorting your life out, get yourself a diary and a wall calendar. I've never had a calendar like this on my wall, but I think it'll be really useful for me because it's so like visual and I can just see everything. I don't want to nail it on the wall though, so I do think I need to find some kind of sticky things. So this has been my past week, and basically I've customized this whole planner, so you can go onto the website and you can just select everything. I chose the marble, I chose the layout, I chose what to put down the bottom, so I've got like a little quote thing here, and then I've put like my dinners, which I find really useful actually. And the best bit, let me show you the front of this calendar. It is me and Lola, and I've got a little 2019 in the corner. I have this picture as my background. I've got it on a Tangle teaser. I literally love this, so I thought why not put it on front of a calendar. And then we have my diary, so I absolutely love this. Again, you can put anything you want on the front of it. You could put this on the front of the calendar. They have loads of really nice templates, and I chose this template which says you can do anything, girl, and it's got like a black marble. I can't even tell you how much I love these planners, so let's see if we can go to a page. Right, I've been having so much fun with this, as you can see. This was last week, and I've customised the layout for my planner as well. Then this week, like I had in my wall calendar, I like to categorise things into work and home, just to keep them separate. And then here is today's plan. So tidy flat, we need to do a food shop, we need to get on top of my taxes, self-employed life, we need to walk Lola, and then I've just got this, which is like a question mark, go to the shop and take parcels back. That's just like a bonus. And then tomorrow I've got the morning free to do stuff, and then me and Sam are going to Reading to drop his sister off back at uni. It's not too late to get organised. You don't have to do it on the 1st of January like everyone says, you know. I just love that you can create like the perfect kind of calendar for you. So the fridge is getting there. By the way, I don't just drink champagne on the regular. This is leftover from Christmas. Breakfast is So, guys, this is how dedicated we are to the cause. Sam is a pro on spreadsheets, and I just said to him, can you make us a meal plan?
This isn't a pro, this is a table with some writing.
I would not be able to do that. Look at this. This is literally like, because we're trying to get healthy
This is
in the new
literally like a
year.
template.
Sam, honestly, my skills do not stretch as far as this. I think this is phenomenal. You got all the recipes as well. Oh my, and the shopping list!
Look how much fruit and veg we're going to eat next week. That's quite a lot, isn't it?
Okay, so we're ticking things off the list, feeling good. I'm still, you know, unwashed hair in my pajamas. I am about to jump in the shower. I've done the washing up, I've put most of it away. Just need to put the rest of that away, but I think I might do a little clear out before I put it away because there's literally nowhere to put it away. Put the washing machine on, I've put the brush around the kitchen, and to make things quicker, Sam has gone to the shop by himself because I thought I'll get stuff done here. He can go and do all the shopping, he's got the shopping list and everything. So, it is, what's the time, 12 o'clock now. I'm gonna jump in the shower. I always get overwhelmed by things like washing up and stuff, like when I'm busy and then like my flat's messy and everything just piles up. Like that's probably, I would say, one of the main causes of my anxiety. That and my spots at the moment. My skin is, I don't know, it's clearing up, but I still got some scarring, so I'm gonna do a nice exfoliation in the shower. Let's go. So I just had the nicest shower. I did one of those ones where you shave and exfoliate. Anyway, now it's time for my skin, and I usually get out and moisturize, but I'm not going to moisturize because I'm going to tan because I'm super pale right now. So what I'm going to do is put some tanning drops on my face and just do my usual skin routine. I will do a video more in depth on that, but I feel like if I do it now and talk you through it now, it's going to be way too long. So basically I just pop a couple of serums on to calm down my skin, and then I put a moisturizer on. And what I do with tanning drops is I'll either mix it in on my hand, or sometimes when I'm lazy, today I will literally just go put the moisturizer on my face, and then I'm using Isle of Paradise tanning drops. These are amazing. I'll literally just like pop drops of that on my face and then mix it in. Body tan wise, I switch up between the Isle of Paradise Tanologist is another one of my favourite one, and Bondi Sands, my all-time fave. So I think today what I'm going to do is the Bondi Sands Express one, because it gives you a dark tan in like 2 to 3 hours, so I can like have that developing while I'm doing the rest of my cleaning and sorting out. So I've just finished sorting out my wardrobe. I got a little bit carried away, but it feels so good. All of this stuff is either going on eBay or to the charity shop, and my wardrobe, I feel, just looks, well, I don't know, like to me it looks a little less cluttered, although I literally don't know how I fitted all this stuff in it. I honestly don't know. I'm literally just gonna try and keep staple pieces in more like neutral colours. So I've got like all different comfy jumpers in every colour. I've got a few different blazers in different colours. Got one in black velvet, got one in white, and then just loads of nice little patterned shirts. Got rid of loads of my dresses as well. I mean, still looks super busy in here, but Sam wanted a section, so now this is his section, and my mission is to clear out this drawer as well for him, because he currently has this one, but it would be nice if he could have a whole shelf to himself. Sam is currently prepping our soup for the week. Look at this. Oh, carrots! What soup is it?
It is pesto and spinach.
Amazing. Right, I've done my sort out. Did you see up there? Look at all those baskets. There's nothing sticking out. No, they're not empty. There's about 4 that's empty. But look, up there as well.
Nice.
Okay, so I've taken the recycling out. I've put the suitcases under my bed. I've done pretty much all the clearing out I can do. Now the job's left. Just need to clean, change the sheets on my bed, hoover, and we also need to take the puppy out. So me and Sam both forgot that it was, well, I say forgot, it's not exactly like a big anniversary. It was our 18-month anniversary yesterday, and we both forgot. And when we realised, Sam...
It's not a thing.
It is a thing. I think 18 months is a thing. It's what you say like when a baby's 18 months old.
Have you got a baby?
Yeah. It's an excuse to go out. So Sam's booked somewhere for us to go out for dinner. So kind of in a rush to do all of the things that we need to do before. Okay, so finally we have a bit of order. I was stressing about earlier because, you know, I'd got stuff done, but it didn't actually physically look like I got stuff done. But at least this area looks nice. All these parcels down here, I'm still yet to sort at a later date, but we have the lounge. Nice and tidy, don't we, Lola? Got some candles burning. And I can tick off on my list changing sheets and hoovering. Sam did the hoovering and he also took Lola out. Bedroom is all nice and clean as well. I changed the sheets. There's no better feeling. I'm going to spray a little pillow mist on this. But now it is time to get ready. Also, I forgot to say I washed my tan off and this is the result. I think it definitely looks better on my legs than it does up here. We're on our way to a restaurant. Still don't know where we're going. All I know is the area. So, what is that? Hello, hello. I've always wanted to eat here. I'm excited. So we've come to a restaurant called Weekly's. Very fitting for me. I keep being taken to like steak-based restaurants. Why?
It's owned by Ian both.
Yeah.
He was a famous cricketer and his nickname was Beefy.
Right, okay, I'll let him off. At Disney, they took us for dinner at the steakhouse. So I feel like the recurring theme of this week has been steak restaurants, but they do have fish on the menu, which looks really good.
Here's to not killing each other. And I love you.
I love you too. I'm not even drinking this. Squeeze that lemon. This is what happens when you share a starter. How has lettuce ended up everywhere? So I've got my prawns, guys. This is an open fish pie. Sam's trying to dip his chip in my sauce. Hey. What have you got?
I got lamb.
Lamb. And we have some chips to share, which I can confirm are really good. Finished my first daiquiri, I'm on to my second. Look how good this dessert looks, guys. I've got a coconut pudding and you have a...
Posset.
Posset. What flavour is it?
Mandarin.
Mandarin. I'm really intrigued. That is so cool. Okay guys, it's about midnight and we've just got back from the meal. I've put my new H&M fluffy hoodie thing on because it's so cozy and I love it. But yeah, the meal was really, really nice. Lovely to celebrate our anniversary, not anniversary. I'm really happy with everything we've achieved today. Are you happy? What are you doing? Do you want to be in it or not?
No, not really.
No? Okay. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you liked helping me tidy my flat. I feel a lot more on top of things now. I have like a tidy flat. I feel like my mind feels a lot clearer. Is anyone else like that? So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, then now is your time to click the subscribe button if you did like the video, and I will see you all in Monday's video. Good night.